I'm Boban Dedovic, trained psycholinguist with over 15 years of experience. I don't know everything about psycholinguistics, but I'll try to answer some questions from the internet. Quagmire, you know me, on the web asks, I saw something on Family Guy about making jokes the children don't understand, but the adults do understand, but everyone still laughs. Do you know what I'm talking about, and how do I get on that level?
I'm funny, right?
Yeah.
The scene from Family Guy you're describing is from season 10, episode 8 of Family Guy, and it's titled Cool Hand Peter. And in the joke, the character Glenn Quagmire makes an inappropriate joke, but the context of the joke is expressed in a thought bubble where the adults understand, but the children don't.
We all know what's going on here. It's just implied, but we all know what's going on in this thought bubble. The kids don't know, but we do.
I never recommend making edgy jokes when you have a diverse crowd because you're risking a lot with certain assumptions that you're making about people's moral values or what they consider to be funny because humor is extremely difficult and subjective. What I may recommend instead is to have a stockpile of family friendly jokes that are going to be appropriate for a wide variety of audiences. And here's a great one that you can use, which I heard from a very funny older person. What did the elephant say to the naked man? That's cute, but can you breathe out of that thing? When you say this joke, everyone in the room will likely chuckle. And when the young children see the adults chuckle or start laughing, they're also likely to follow suit because human beings tend to mimic one another or copy one another. And we do this as a survival technique. And this is most common with young children who are already used to copying their parents and absorbing info from them. This is a great way to express your sense of humor in a way that's going to be appropriate for all ages without necessarily taking the risk of assuming what your audience is and isn't going to find funny. And feel free to add more jokes to your stockpile. Thanks for the question, Quagmire. You know me.
Giggity!